Hello traders, good day. My name is Emeka. I'm a Forex trader, as you know, and through this YouTube channel I share useful content about how to succeed in Forex trading. I actually have the vision of helping upcoming traders to become profitable in the business of Forex trading. Okay, I've helped hundreds of traders to become profitable, to become successful, and to excel in the business of Forex trading in various ways, through various mentorships and through my YouTube channel. Okay, so before I continue on the subject of today, I want to ask that you please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like our videos, share our videos. Also, please turn on the notification bell so that when I release new videos, you'll be the first to be alerted, and so that you will not miss any of our videos. All right, and please kindly join our free Telegram group where I post charts, daily chart markups on our pairs, and also send some signals. All right, so the link to the Telegram group is in the description box of this video. All right, so without further ado, let us get straight into the subject of today. All right, so today I want to be talking about understanding break of structure, or break in market structure, and change of character, and how it can help you to become a profitable Forex trader. These are smart money concepts. These are mentorship contents, but I'm giving it out all for free, so as to contribute my quota to your success in this business. I've passed through a lot before I became a profitable Forex trader, and for that reason I'm giving it out free so that you can be able to excel in this business. Now, what is break in market structure, or break of structure and change of character? All right, so let's talk about the difference between that. I want you to know, before I continue, I want you to know about market structure. I've done a video about market structure. You need to understand market structure. All right, market structure, the Forex market has a structure, and these are what guide the movement of the market. The market moves in structures. I've done a video on that. I've done a video on market structure. I'm going to put the link to that video in the description box. The market moves in structures: the bullish structure and the bearish structure. And not until you understand how this market moves, how the Forex market moves, you keep on finding it difficult to excel and to succeed in the Forex market. All right, you need to understand the structure, the higher time frame structure, the lower time frame structure, and you need to align your trade with the structure. So now, in addition, in continuation of the previous video on market structure, I want to talk about the difference between break of structure, which some people call break in market structure, BOS or BMS, and its difference between this and the change of character. Now, break in market structure, which we call the BOS or the BMS, it means break of structure or break in market structure, and it signifies trend continuation in a market. Okay, when there is a break of structure, it shows you that the market is going to continue in the original flow. If your market is in a bullish structure and there's a new break of structure, market creating higher highs and higher lows, you know that the market is going to continue. And if you're in a bearish market structure, and when the market creates lower lows and lower highs, you should know that the market is to continue in that trend. Okay, so now, why change of character signifies the change in trend, or a trend reversal, okay, from an uptrend to a downtrend, and vice versa. Okay, if a market is in a bullish structure creating higher highs and higher lows, when there is a change of character, you should expect that this market is about to change from the bullish structure to the bearish structure. So in that market, you now stop looking for buys and start looking for sells. In the same way, if the market is in a bearish market structure, creating lower lows and lower highs, and when there is a break in, there is a change of character, it signifies that the market is about to change from the bearish structure to a bullish structure. Now let me show you in a diagram. Now you see this is a bullish market structure. Now BOS signifies break of structure. Break of structure happens when when market is creating higher highs and higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. Okay, this is happening in the bullish structure. Here now also you can see this is a downward structure. Market is creating higher highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, and lower low. All right. So now in this bullish market structure, you can see BOS. It is happening. Market has just broken this last high, creating a new high. Now here the high also got broken, creating a new high. This is break of structure. Why there is a break of structure in a bullish market? Now the break of structure in a bearish market happens when the market breaks the previous structure, which is the lower low. Market breaks the previous low, creating another low lower than the previous one, breaks the previous low again, creating another low, and that way. All right. But when a change of character happens is when a market that is previously in a bullish structure now creates a reverse break of structure. Here, instead of the market to create another high, the previous low was broken. There is what we call a bearish change of structure. In this case, we have a bearish change of structure. All right, change of character. And in this point now, instead of the market to create another lower low, it came and break the previous high and creating a change of character. All right, so change of character happens, break of structure happens in the same trend. All right, but the change of character happens, triggers a reversal in trend. Now in this case now, you can see that this is a higher level, a higher time frame supply zone. Okay, why this is a higher time frame demand zone? In this case, in this point, the market was creating lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and here instead of breaking this lower low, instead of breaking this previous low, the market broke the previous high, creating a change of character from this demand zone. This signifies a reversal in this trend from the bearish to the bullish. All right, it creates a reversal of the trend from the bearish structure to the bullish structure. All right, so when change of character happens, now we start looking for a buy from the next available demand zone. And in this case also, you see a higher time frame supply zone. The market was creating higher highs and higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and when it got to the higher time frame supply zone, the market reverses and breaks the previous low. Okay, instead of breaking the previous high, it broke the previous low, and this is where the change of character happens. And we look for our buys when price comes back, returns back to the other block, or returns back to the supply zone that triggered the change of character. And you see the market started creating lower lows and lower highs in a bearish market. All right, so now let me show you in a chart. Now in this case, now this is odd USD, the higher time frame 4-hour chart of the odd USD. You can see in this case, this is a demand zone and this is a supply zone, and just as I showed you previously in the markup, you can see the market creating lower lows, lower high. This is a bearish structure. When the market came down to this bullish, to this demand zone, the market experienced a change of character. This point you can see. Let us zoom in to see it clearly. The market was creating lower lows, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high. And when it came to the demand zone, there was a change in character, change of character, because the previous high was broken. Instead of creating a lower low and lower high, it broke structure to the upside, creating a change of character. This is a change of character. And then we started having higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. And now when the market also got to a higher time frame supply zone, this is the supply zone, the market which was previously creating higher highs and higher lows, stopped creating that and now broke the previous low to the downside. And this is our change of character. In this case, this is our change of character. Here, this is our change of character, which actually triggers a change in trend. And from here, we keep on having lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Can you see? This is a bearish market flow. But what triggers in the same trend, we have our break of structure, break of structure, break of structure. This is a change in character, change of character, break of structure, break of structure. This is bullish and bearish break of structure we are having right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 break of structures here. We are having a bearish break of structure, and now we have our change of character here. All this place we started having bullish break of structure, and here we have our change of character. Okay, we have our change of character here. All right, here, and the market started creating break of structure to the downside. Okay, let us see it clearly. Okay, this is it clearly. Sorry, you see it clearly. The market was creating lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows until it encountered a demand zone. It now had a break change of character, and now we started having higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. A bullish break of structure continued to happen, and the trend continued. All right, here we are having a bearish break of structures. All right, we encountered a change of character, and now we started having the bullish break of structures. Okay, now when the market now came to the demand zone, to the supply zone, we encountered a bearish change of character, and now we started having bearish break of structure. All right, so I hope it's clear. I hope it's clear. I hope you understand this, and I hope this can help to improve your trade. All right, this can help you to improve your trade. Once you understand the market structure, the market flow, you would know that in a bullish market you're not supposed to be buying, and in a bearish market structure you're not supposed to be selling, sorry, while in a bearish market structure you're not supposed to be buying. You're supposed to move with the trend. The trend is your friend in the market, in the forex market. Okay, you need to align your trades with the trend, and when you do so, you will have a higher probability of success. You have higher probability of success. When there is a change in character, you should now know that the trend has changed, and you reverse your bias in the market. Okay, like in this case now, we are in a bullish market. We should be looking for buys from when the market mitigates the demand zones. We look for buy the lower time frame, not to look for buys. And when there is a change of structure, when the market now comes to mitigate previous supply zones, we look for a sell. Here mitigated a supply zone, we look for sell, and it continues like that. All right, so this is it about the difference between break of structure or break in market structure and the change in character. All right, so there is more actually to it. I can actually go deeper. This is just a summary of it, but I could go deeper if you are one of my mentorship students. If you want to become one of our mentorship students, you would get my contact details from our free Telegram group. All right, so please try to subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. Link to our free Telegram group is in the description box of this video. All right, and also the video about the market structure is also you will find the link in this description box of this video. Please kindly join our free Telegram group and also follow all our videos, like our videos, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be first to know when we post new videos. And if you're interested in private mentorship, one-on-one mentorship with me, with Emeka, it's just at a very subsidized rate, just almost free, at a very just a little sacrifice from your part, and you will be mentored until you become good in this business. All right, you'll be mentored appropriately from the scratch. You learn how to trade. I will teach you all the secrets that I've learned over the years that had made me a profitable trader. So until I come your way next time, I want to wish you a very happy day and success in your Forex business. Thank you.